Hi all, welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn about pandas. So let's first talk what is pandas. See here, pandas is a library written for Python. Okay, it will help in data analysis and data manipulating. Very actually straightforward. If you want to do analyze your data and you have very less mm, very less less data is I'm talking about in size. Suppose you have a very high amount high volume of data, so maybe you're not going for pandas. That's what I'm saying. So using pandas you can do analyze very fast for a low amount of data, and we can analyze our data very fast. And it will not only work for Tabular data, it will also for time series data and many more. Okay, so we'll see, step by step.